welcome back to my channel. A very rare sight of Miriam James in a full face of makeup and eyeshadow and kajal and everything, because today's video is something related to makeup. And for someone who loves makeup, you know that no matter how good your makeup is, no matter what foundation or what products you use, if you do not use a nice setting spray, then after a few hours everything's going to move, you're going to become oily and shiny, and that's not a good look. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys these two products, which is the NYX makeup setting spray. It is available in the dewy finish and the matte finish, and if you know me, I am a dry skin girl, so I obviously love using the dewy finish one. Now if you are an OG follower or you have seen my previous videos, you can scroll back. You can see that I've always used the NYX setting spray, the dewy one, because I absolutely love this product. I have used a lot of setting sprays, but I always come back to this because this sets your makeup like no other setting spray. If you've always had trouble making your makeup last longer, then a good makeup setting spray is the answer. It helps control oil, it helps control unwanted shine, and it keeps your makeup in place. It not only does that, but it also helps to make your makeup look very natural, especially if you have a heavy base and your foundation can look cakey. A good setting spray will help melt everything into your skin and make your skin look even more natural. So the NYX setting spray is by far my most favorite setting spray. After using a lot of setting sprays, I always come back to this. Now NYX as a brand as well, I really like, because they're a professional makeup brand. They have a variety of products, they have a wide range of products and good quality products which are quite affordable, and they are cruelty free, they are vegan, so everything nice. And their setting sprays are my holy grail. I always have them. You can always scroll up my channel and you can see that I love the dewy one. I also use the matte one as well, and I will show you how you can use these setting sprays for different purposes, just not as a setting spray. But I'm also going to show you how well these work in locking your makeup and keeping it in place for a very long time. Okay, let's do this. I'm wearing the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Budapest, and I really like this shade. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to swatch this on my hand. Like this, and I'm going to swatch it on my other hand as well. I'm also going to swatch few eyeshadows. I'm using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette, and I'm just going to take a few darker shades so that you guys can see it. I'm going to take this purple shade here, and I'm going to swatch it. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. Let's take another color. I'm also going to take this pink shade, this hot pink shade, and I'm going to swatch it here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other hand. Yeah, I just darken the swatches so that you guys can see it clearly. Now I'm just going to take the NYX setting spray and spray it only on my left hand. And the right hand has no setting spray, so I'm just going to let this dry. Okay, the setting spray has dried, so let's just try this side without the setting spray. As you can see, the eyeshadow and the lipstick just gets smudged so easily. But on this side, if we are going to check, I'm literally pressing it for you guys, but it does not go. That's how good this setting spray is, and that's why I always come back to the NYX setting spray, because this is what it is. The eyeshadow just stayed, but here you can see it has all smudged. It's right in front of you. This is the hand I had sprayed the setting spray on, and this was without the setting spray. Now coming to some of the ways you can use it. Firstly, you can always use this as a primer. Just spray a few spritzes of this makeup setting spray on your face and then use a beauty blender to just push the product in, and then you can go on with your foundation. That way your foundation will stay locked in throughout the day. You can also directly spray it on your sponge to dampen it, or on your foundation. This way your foundation will not move throughout the day and will stay put. And your foundation will also look very natural. Sometimes when I notice that my face looks very powdery, I like to use the dewy finish one and then just push it in places where the powder is too much, and that way it starts looking really natural. The product melts the powder into the skin and gives it a dewy finish. And this is one of my most favorite hacks. You can see how instantly the NYX makeup setting spray has removed the powderiness and made my skin more natural and dewy. Another hack is spraying it on my eyeshadow brush, because that way the eyeshadows are more vibrant and they also stay in place throughout the day. You will not find the need to use another eyeshadow primer, and I always like doing this. Now this is one hack I love using whenever I know I'm going to attend someone's wedding and I want the makeup to stay on for a very long time, is just to take the matte finish setting spray and put it only on the T-zone where I'm going to get oily. This way my T-zone stays matte and the rest of my face is dewy, and I love doing this hack. This really helps my makeup look amazing throughout the night without budging at all. And lastly is always using it as a setting spray. Just keep it 6 inches away from your face and spray your face. This way your foundation, no matter how heavy it is, looks natural and your skin will remain dewy. A good makeup setting spray like the NYX one can really change your makeup game if you love wearing makeup and your makeup doesn't stay on for a long time. Especially if you have oily skin, then this will help control oil and that extra shine and keep your makeup locked in for hours without it getting extremely oily or shiny or sweaty. Another thing that I absolutely love about the NYX makeup setting spray is that once you spray it, you are good to go. You will not find the need to keep retouching your makeup. You will not find the need to powder your face throughout the day. It will keep everything intact without making your skin oily or you finding the need to do some kind of touch up, whether it's your foundation, blush, nothing. Everything will stay in place and locked in for a very long time. So I will check in with you guys later today just to show you how my makeup stays, and yeah, I will meet you guys after a few hours. Hi guys, so it's been a while. I had a lot of work. I had to film some other videos and just do some normal things, and it's been about like 4-5 hours. I just had dinner and I was like so tired. I was going to remove my makeup and then I realized that I had to do a check-in, because when I looked at my makeup, it looked pretty good. As you can see, my nose also has not oiled much, but if you can see, my makeup has held pretty good. You can see my eyeshadow is right there and my skin looks really nice because of the setting spray. And if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I had attended a friend's engagement and I wore this really full heavy face makeup, and on that particular day also I used the NYX setting spray and my makeup held really well. The pictures that you see were taken pretty late, so I always have had full confidence on this setting spray, so I wasn't doubtful at all that it's going to like keep my makeup in place. But I just wanted to show you guys how it looks. So I would totally recommend these products to you guys, especially if you have a marriage coming up or some kind of special occasion. This will help your makeup last long, and you get about 60 ml of product for 875 rupees, which is quite affordable. And these sprays last for a while because all you need is 2 or 3 spritz of this and you are good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave all the links to these products in the description box. You can check it out.